Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by isolating the fault. Reboot into safe mode or Windows recovery environment so the system won't keep crashing. Once in safe mode, save the memory dump and write down the page fault in non-paged area stop code plus any driver names shown. Make sure to disconnect USB devices and external drives to rule out peripherals and list recent driver or software changes. These are prime suspects. From here, proceed to file system checks and basic integrity scans to confirm the storage and core files are intact. Next, you dig into the likely culprits. Test RAM with Windows Memory Diagnostic or memtest 86 because bad RAM often causes non-paged area faults. Once done, enable Driver Verifier to stress drivers. If a verifier-triggered crash names a driver, you know what to replace. Also run sfc/scano and dism restore health to repair system file corruption. These can fix kernel components that reference the non-paged pool. If a specific driver fails, roll back or uninstall it, then install the vendor's latest signed version. To finish, you remediate the identified root cause. If a driver is at fault, roll it back or install a certified update, and use System Restore to revert recent changes when available. If diagnostics found bad RAM or disk errors, replace the defective modules and rerun tests. Once stable, update BIOS/UEFI and drivers, then monitor. If nothing else works, perform a clean Windows reinstall after backing up data. Troubleshooting tip: if crashes persist, swap one hardware component at a time to isolate intermittent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.